What's up? This look is my boxer babe look, and I started off with rigid collodion, and rigid collodion is used to make scars or to make deep indentations into your skin. So for me, I'm going to be doing a scar on the side of my mouth and above my eyebrow going through my eye. Now, what I was pointing to at the beginning of it, I use this so much in my videos, it's not even funny, and it's 3rd degree to make, like, I use my fake lips, my busted lip. You can just refer to one of those videos if you want to know how I split my lip, but I went ahead and started with that. So that was on my lips the first time, and I just, like, you know, it's awesome. I would use it if I were you. But now I'm just taking like an eyeliner pencil and I'm just mapping out where I want the rigid collodion to go. You can still do this free-handed if you want to, but I am still getting the hang of rigid collodion, so I really felt comfortable just drawing it first. So I just kind of did like a line through my eyes, you can see, and then just kind of branched it out, as you can see right there. And the color is just going to save you a little bit of painting whenever it completely dries. So sorry I talked so much in this little intro, but go ahead and just stay tuned. Now I'm just applying the rigid collodion into the areas, as you can see, where I already drew the shape of what I wanted. I am putting on, I think I put on approximately 3 layers, but let the first layer like dry before you apply the second layer. Also, it does state not to use rigid collodion in the same areas of your skin more than twice, I believe, in a month. Like the same area, because it could cause really deep and could cause really bad problems with your skin. So I would be very careful. Make sure you read up on rigid collodion. I'm not an expert with rigid collodion, so what I say could, I'm do your own research before you just go out and whip it out and do it. Just make sure you're comfortable with yourself with doing it. It is very easy to remove. I just got some rigid collodion remover. I'm not even sure what it's called, but you can use that. But I believe that you can just peel it off and then just rub the residue away from your skin. But there I am, just reapplying it. Now I'm bruising out some areas around my face, my lips, under my eyes. I have so many videos already on my channel that you can refer to on how I bruise myself, a lot more in-depth, detailed videos. So I am still a boxer babe, so I still want to have some, I don't want it to be completely gory and disfigured. I want it to be super, like, I got a little black eye, I got a little busted lip, but I'm still cute though. That's all I'm kind of going for. Now I'm just adding the finishing touches. I'm just adding some more paint. And by the way, the paint that I use was a Skin Illustrator palette that I always use in every video. I'm telling you, I use the same stuff, and you can still get the same effect with a cream paint, but I prefer alcohol because, like I said, it sets faster. And then I'm just going anywhere I feel like I need to touch up. I got more blood on my nose and added blood in my little wound on my lip, and that's pretty much it. I did take a darker color, and I did kind of sink in my cheeks a little bit to kind of give that deathly look. It just makes such a big difference. I started doing this year when I started filming these videos. I've never done this before. I've tried before last year, and I didn't like it the way it looked. I wasn't really good at it, but I love the way it looks from like head on. It looks so amazing, especially in photography. It looks unreal. But that is basically it for the video. I am done. This was so easy, so simple. If you have no idea what you want to be for Halloween, this is like perfect. It's so easy. You can easily find the stuff. I mean, it's just blood and paint basically. You don't have to do the scar wax. You don't have to do the rigid collodion or anything like that. That's it. And I just popped in some red contacts, and that was pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.